Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynaeops, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University. Now, today's session is clinical course of second stage of labor. So, we discussed in last class first stage of labor, clinical course of first stage of labor. Now, today is the clinical course of second stage of labor. Second stage being with full dilatation of cervix and with expulsion of the fetus. So second stage of labor is the full dilatation of cervix and expulsion of the fetus. Now pain, the pain intensity of the pain increase. The pain come at intervals of 2 to 3 minutes and last for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. So startingly pain becomes 2 to 3 minutes, then last hours pain becomes start 1 to 1.5 minute. It becomes successive and increase intensity in the second stage. Bearing down effort. In second stage of labor, the sensation of the bearing down effort, and it is the additional voluntary expulsion efforts that appear during second stage of labor. It is the additional voluntary expulsion effort that appear during second stage of labor expulsion phase. It is initiated by nerve reflex, that is Furgens reflex, set up due to stretching of the vagina by the presenting part. In majority, this expulsion effort starts spontaneously with full dilatation of cervix along with uterine contraction. The woman is instructed to exert downward pressure as done during straining at stool. Sustained pushing beyond the uterine contraction is discouraged. Premature in first stage, bearing down effort may suggest uterine dysfunction. There may be showing the fetal heart rate during pushing and it should come back to normal once the contraction is over. Membranes status. Membranes may rupture with a gush of liquor per vaginum. Rupture may occasionally be delayed till the head bulge out through the introitus, and rarely a spontaneous rupture may not take place at all, allowing the baby to be born in a coil. Descent of the fetus. Features of descent of the fetus are evident from abdominal and vaginal examination. Abdominal findings are progressive descent of head, assessed in relation to the brim and rotation of the anterior shoulder to the middle and change in position of the fetal heart rate. Shifted downward and medially. Internal examination reveals descent of the head in relation is to ischial spine and girdle, rotate of the head evidenced by the position of sagittal suture, and the occiput is in relation to the quadrum of the pelvis. Now, abdominal assessment of the progressive descent of the head using FIT formula. Progressive descent, the head can be usefully assessed abdominally by estimating the number of fitted of the head above the pelvic brim. The amount of head felt suprapubically in finger brain is assessed by placing of radially migraine of the index finger above the symphysis. Pubis successively until the groove of the neck is reached when 1/5 above only the syncope can felt abdominally and not fitted represent a head entirely is the pelvis with no pole filled abdominally. Now advantage of a situation of head in relation to ischial spine. What is first is the it exclude the variability due to caput and molding or by the different depth of the pelvis. Now second is the effacement is quantitative and can be easily reproduced. Now third is repeated vaginal examination are avoided. Progressive descent of head assessed in fifth palpable above the brim. First diagram show floating above the brim. Second is the show on the brim. Third is the show not engaged. Fourth is the show just engaged. And fifth is the engaged. And sixth is it deeply engaged. Vaginal sign. As the head descends down, it descends the perineum. The vulva opening looks like a slit through which the scalp hair is visible. During each contraction, the perineum is markedly descended with the overlying skin tense and glistening, and the vulva opening becomes circular, expulsive phase, and adjoining the anal sphincter is stretched and stools come out during contraction. The head recedes after the contraction phase of but is held up a little in advance because of retraction. Ultimately, the maximum diameter of head, that is biparatal, reaches the vulva outlet, and there is no descent even after the contraction phase of off. That is called crawling of the head. The head is borne by extension. Now, maternal sign. There are features of expulsion. Respiration is, however, slowed down with increased perspiration. During head bearing down apart, the face becomes congested with neck vein prominent. Immediately following the expulsion of fetus, the mother has a relief of sign. The fetal effect showing of fetal heart rate during contraction is observed, which comes back the normal before the next contraction. So this session is useful for the second stage of labor. It is very important for BHMS third year student. And last, namaste.